Good everybody there at FTX. This is proudly sponsored by FTX, the exchange that I use for my perpetual trading because they've got the best orders, really. Okay, I want to go through and have a rip at this list, just go through it quickly, see what I can find and create a watch list first thing in the morning for me. Also, if you don't have your FTX account, click on the description below, 10% off your trading fees, and there's also videos how to go long and short and manage your risk on FTX. Further to that, you might not be aware, but we've re-released our business, our platform, our course. It's a new course. It's been rewritten a while back, and all you got to do is come in here and click on that to start your course. Just want to show you quickly what it looks like inside of that members area, so you get a bit of a feel for what it's like. If I click on here, become a trader, that's how I become a master. This is the free course. You can see there is a number of different chapters in here, and yeah, you can just go through each of these. All of these are there for you to learn about and get a heap in there. Great feedback so far. People saying better than some of the paid stuff they've done. So very appreciative of the support. So all you got to do is go to tradercobb.com and join that free course now. Okay. Right, let's blow this up and have a quick run at things. Bitcoin's pushed above 16,000 for the time being. Look, I like the look of this now. I can see further upside. It's holding strong. It's consolidated for a while. Earlier in the week, you heard me do a talk about the 4 hour, how we consolidated, then we moved, we consolidated, then we moved. Well, we're coming out of that consolidation now, so probability wise with this higher low and higher high, we might just continue to see further moves. Bitcoin right now a little bit caught up in here. I want to see it get out of that little random region around here and just move on for the day. It's always in my list and it's going to stay there. So let's go. What else have we got here? Okay, I'm just going to see if there's anything. I'm going to flick through the time frames, do it relatively quickly so it's not a long video. Nothing Cardano, nothing Algorand. Very sideways still here on altcoin PERP. Atom, nothing there. Bitcoin Cash still sideways. Binance coming off, not much happening. BSV. Oh, the level's not quite good enough there for me. Nope, not good enough. Bitmax too spiky. Doge. What do we got here on Doge? Let's just check this. Oh, a little bit too wild as well. So these big spikes, I'm not interested in that. Big candles, no interest. Dragon. Not quite at this stage. EOS, very flat still, sideways. Ethereum Classic, sideways. Exchange Perp, sideways. Horby, let's have a quick look in here and zoom out a bit. What's that level? Any significance? Not anymore. I'll get rid of that. Dropping to the 1 hour. Nope, nothing there either. We'll keep going. Leo, nothing for me to work with there just yet. Link, nothing there. Litecoin, still just hanging, not doing a great deal, not moved very much. Matic, no. Mid, no. OKB, let's have a look here. As I was looking for a pullback into this level, didn't quite get it. Resistance ahead just there, a little bit. I actually want to see it pull back a little bit cleaner. I'm going to leave it out for the time being. I might come back to that later. Ship Perp, check the 8, nothing there, no. Tomo, no. Tron, nothing to touch there as well. XRP's got to push up above these highs through here to get that cyclicity back. It's not doing it just yet. Priv Perp, still very caught in there, not doing a great deal. I'm going to leave that alone too. Theta, nothing there. DeFi, right, let's have a quick sticky big at DeFi. Good cyclicity. What's it like on the 8? Not quite got me there yet. It's the higher time frames as we have been seeing further pullbacks. Here, I'm going to pop that in. It's the 8 hour cradle there, potentially. It's not the greatest of trend, I've got to be honest. It didn't push to too much, so I didn't go too much higher there. But it's a trend. Kaiba, this looks not so bad. Here's what I'm looking at. Look, old support, we come back to retest that. I'm going to work from here. Let's have a look. Okay, I like that, where it is on the 8 hour there. Really nice high lows pulling back into that region. Kind of like that. I'll keep that in the list for later on. SXP, no. Gold, no. VeChain, nothing there, still sideways. Dot, also sideways. The market's still, for the time being, looking quite sideways, whilst Bitcoin does continue to extend further. I am open to long trades as well. Those of you who wish to trade Meta, we might have something in here. I'll pop that in the list as well on the 8 hour. Balancer, okay, we'll chuck this in, have a look at this on the 8 as well. Quite like that, higher low, higher high, pulling back, I'll throw that in. Potential for a cradle. Rune, I was looking at this yesterday, had a 4 hour cradle order raised, didn't get it. My issue is there is some resistance just up ahead. I don't love it here on the 8 because the 16 doesn't have the higher lows and higher highs. No cyclicity. I'll take that out. Maker, still very sideways. DMG, leaving that. Zcash. What have we got here? Tell you what, if this starts to move better here on the 2, then pullbacks on that, because there is higher lows going through here, and the 4 does also have those higher lows. So we break that consolidation, pullbacks in, certainly on the cards for me. Just got to wait and see how that goes. UniPerp, no, nothing there. File, Flamingo, the bird, the pink bird. No, nothing there for me. OMG, right, let's have a look here. I was in my list yesterday. Check that 8. Pull back into this 8 hour would certainly be of interest. I'm going to leave that in my list for now. Yearn, no, I'll leave that out. Nothing for me there. And we're back at the top of Bitcoin. Let's go through and have a look and delete some of these that are in there already. And start with, of course, like I said, with Bitcoin, if it's to continue to move higher, pushing on, getting that cyclicity, I'm happy to trade pullbacks on Bitcoin. If I look at OMG here, I'm looking here on the 8 hour. I've got to pull back a little bit deeper first. With Comp, I've got an 8 hour cradle right. They're not a massive fan of that trend, but it's there as a little boost. This is really nice here. Kyber, higher lows 1, higher low 2, higher high, pulling back right in that cradle zone. Really like the look of that if I was to get a small bullish candle. When we look at MetaPerp, higher low, higher high, pulling back, bullish candle. Still very much there. 3 hours to go, of course, until 11 a.m. my time here in Australian Eastern Daytime in Sydney, but that could be a goer as well. And Balancer, that 8 hour now starting to look quite nice with that bullish candle right there. Finally, Zcash, if and only if it pushes up and sets this new higher high, then I'll look for boosters, cradle pulling back into that region. Don't forget, guys, get across, get your free course there, absolutely free for you. TraderCobb.com is all you need to do, and you get access to all of those chapters. If you haven't got your FTX account, please open it by the description below for 10% off your trading fees, and also a walkthrough as to how to use the platform to manage your risk, go long and short. You have a great day and a great weekend, guys. Bye for now.